Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be checking out this awesome home security robot that I made. So let's see what devices I've used to build this robot. Firstly, we have our Arduino UNO. Then we have a Raspberry Pi. We also have a power bank that powers up the Raspberry Pi, a webcam for the camera feed, a battery powering up the Arduino, 2 wheels and 2 motors. So how this works is actually pretty simple. The Raspberry Pi hosts a small server that we connect through the internet to view the live camera feed, and it also has another program running simultaneously to take commands from the Telegram bot that I have created and use serial communication through USB to send a signal to the Arduino for the movements. I've programmed the Raspberry Pi in Python for this, and the Arduino works just like my other car robot and the smart pet robot, where it controls the power sent to the motors for the movement. Now let's see the actual movement of the robot. I've put up the Telegram and the website where I'm hosting a live feed at in a split screen. Firstly, I'm going to send the robot front and then make a few turns with it and go back the same way. The reason why I've chosen to connect the Arduino to the Raspberry Pi is because Arduino doesn't have its own internet connection while the Raspberry Pi does. Also, to enable access while you are not on the same network as your home Wi-Fi, I've put the Raspberry Pi, which is the host, my laptop, tablet and a few other client devices onto a VPN using Tailscale. This allows us to view the live feed when you're outside of your house. The total cost of this project is remarkably similar to that of a similarly featured home security robot. The Arduino, motor shields and the motors come up to around 20,000 INR because I'm using a slightly modified UNO, and the motor shield functions for other devices and motors as well. The Pi 4B that I've used costs 10,000 on its own, and getting the power, case and storage certified adds an additional 5,000. The webcam is of significant cost too, as it is worth around 7k now. But the quality of it in the live feed isn't high, as the bandwidth of the server I'm hosting the live feed on is low due to it being locally hosted on the Raspberry Pi. To keep the latency low, I had to ensure that the data transferred was low in size. While taking a snapshot, however, you'll see that the image is higher in quality. It is a 1080p image. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.